Hi! In front of me is BLACKVIEW BL6000 PRO 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. Start by accessing settings and choosing security section here. Now tap on screen lock and tap on the best login method for you, pattern, pin or password. Now enter it, choose next at the bottom right corner and repeat it. Then select confirm. After that, you need to select how do you want the lock screen to display your notifications. Show all notifications content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. I will go with show all notifications content, so I have to tap on it and select done at the bottom right corner. Now when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on, as you can see, pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!